In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to download something important and the speed just isn't cooperating. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through some effective solutions that will hopefully speed things up for you. Let's start by optimizing your network connection. This might seem pretty straightforward, but sometimes the simplest fixes yield the best results. Make sure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. If you're on a mobile data connection, try moving to a place where the network signal is stronger. It's also a good idea to restart your router. Often, devices perform much better after a quick reboot, and your internet connection is no different. Allow your router about 5 or 10 minutes to reset and then reconnect your device to the network. Next, it's important to manage your Telegram app settings. Open the Telegram app on your device and go to the Settings menu. Once you're there, navigate to the Data and Storage section. Here, you can manage several settings that can potentially impact download speed. Consider limiting your background data usage, as other apps running in the background can consume bandwidth and slow down your downloads. Additionally, check if Telegram is set to automatically download media and if it's using Wi-Fi or data or both. Adjust these settings according to your needs and priorities. After managing your app settings, let's talk about updating and optimizing the app itself. Always ensure you're using the latest version of Telegram. Developers regularly release updates that fix bugs and improve performance, which can directly impact download speeds. Visit your device's app store and check for any available updates for Telegram. In addition, clear the cache in your Telegram app. Over time, cache data can accumulate and affect speed and performance. You'll find the option to clear the cache within the app settings, under the Storage Usage section. If you've tried optimizing your network and app settings and are yet to see improvements, consider other solutions. Sometimes, slow download speeds could be a result of server-side issues. You could try downloading the file at a later time to see if the speed improves. Additionally, consider using a different network altogether. You might have better luck on a different Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You could also try transferring your SIM card to another network provider and see if there's any improvement. And there you have it, a few tailored steps to potentially boost your Telegram download speeds. Give these methods a try, and hopefully you'll see a noticeable difference in your download experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. Have a great day.